Boss, paano kung sinabi ng friend niya na taken na si crush, constant ko yung communication namin at alam rin niya na crush ko siya, she didn't mention na di siya single. Sana masagot ka, Sigarilyo. If I were in your shoes, tatanungin ko muna siya kung single ba talaga siya or hindi. Kasi the last thing we want to happen is for you to be romantically involved with someone who is already taken na. Just ask her adamantly, are you single? Then kung sinabi niya na yes, then sure, you can continue dating her. Pero if she says na, no, I'm not single, then mag-isip-isip ka na, Sigarilyo. Kasi dalawa lang ibig sabihin yan eh. It's either she's a cheater or she's looking for a replacement sa current BF niya. If she's a cheater, then I guess it goes without saying na you don't have to waste any more of your precious time with her. Ngayon, if she is looking for a replacement, then that tells you what kind of a personality this girl has. She's insecure. Hindi niya kayang mawala ng jowa. Hindi niya kayang mawala ng someone who would constantly validate her. Healthy-minded women kasi, i.e., hindi insecure, they wouldn't mind being single for a while just to gather their thoughts, their feelings, and basically heal from the breakup. Then, when they're emotionally ready na, they would go back to the dating world. Also, if she is looking for a replacement, tapos sabihin na natin na naging kayo nga, no? Success! Ikaw ang piniling replacement. Ito ang tanong ko sa'yo. What do you think will happen if somewhere down the line you mess up sa relationship nyo? Kunwari, masyado ka naging complacent and acted weak and needy. Example lang ano. So, syempre, ang resulta niyan bababa yung attraction level sa'yo ng babae, ano? So, when that happens, what do you think will she do kung mangyari yan? Of course, history repeats itself. Maghahanap uli yan ng replacement habang kayo pa. And we don't want that to happen. Kung ako sa'yo, Sigarilyo, I would find out if she really is single or not by asking her adamantly. Kasi it is a valid question naman eh. We just don't want to be involved with someone who is already taken. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.